Hi, so in here I have this simple login page for my app. Let me log in using my credentials. After a successful login, I was redirected to my home dashboard page. That's exactly what's written in here. I believe that after a successful login, I'm gonna be redirected to whatever it's written in here. If this app is not performing security checks, then the app is vulnerable to open redirect, meaning that I'm gonna be redirected to whatever I paste in here. For example, my YouTube page. I could send this link to any client and maybe they wouldn't notice this part. They would just see the first part of the link and they would think, maybe that's a legit link. Maybe I'm logging into AWS or whatever social media, and they would go and enter their credentials. And as you can see, they got redirected to the page that I wanted. We have just proved that this app is going to redirect the users to whatever URL I put in here, meaning that it is indeed vulnerable to open redirect. So how can we fix it on our ASP.NET MVC app? In here I have the endpoint responsible for redirecting the users after a successful login. And as you can see, I'm not performing any security checks or validation on the URL that I'm redirecting my users to. So let's fix it. After a successful login, I want to perform a check. I'm going to check if the URL that I'm redirecting my users to is local with Url.IsLocalUrl, and I'm passing the return URL that you see on the query. If yes, only then I want to redirect the users to the return URL. Otherwise, I want to display a message for my user saying that he has fell for phishing. Let me see if it works. Back to our app, I can see my phishing link, and if I enter my credentials right now, I get a message displayed to me saying that I have fell for phishing. And that's why you should always perform security checks before redirecting users to any URL.